Learn more at shelterinsurance.com. By Country Bob, the only sauce good enough to be the signature sauce of the St. Louis Cardinals. By Explore St. Louis. Learn about all the great things to do in St. Louis. Visit ExploreSt.Louis.com. By St. Louis Children's Hospital, Guardians of Childhood. By Central Bank, the hometown bank of the St. Louis Cardinals. By Central Missouri's beautiful Lake of the Ozarks. Plan your getaway today at FunLake.com. By the Painting and Decorating Foundation. And by Sunny Drive-In. This is how you're sunny. Now, St. Louis Cardinals baseball.
From Busch Stadium in downtown St. Louis, we are the game of the world. The Cardinals and the Atlanta Braves on this Sunday night. And welcome to our coverage on the Cardinals Radio Network. Along with Mike Shannon, I'm John Rooney. Jim Jackson is our producer-engineer. Cole Duggar is in our St. Louis studio tonight helping us out. Alex Ferrario will host the post-game show that will feature a Star of the Game interview with Mike Claiborne. Our booth assistant here at the ballpark this year is Michael Langston. As the Cardinals and the Braves play the rubber game of a three-game series, things went Atlanta's way on Friday night. As the Atlanta Braves and Cardinals, they played a close one, 1-1 going to the sixth inning when Dansby Swanson and Freddie Freeman hit back-to-back home runs. Then Swanson collected a two-run homer in the eighth inning, giving the Braves a 5-1 lead. Matt Carpenter homered in the bottom of the ninth inning for the final of 5-2 as Mike Foltynewicz, who was hit hard by the Cardinals down in Atlanta, even his record against the Redbirds this year at 1-1, 1-3 overall, beating Miles Michaelis, who dropped to 4-5. Michaelis in the game gave up 3 runs on 7 hits over 7 innings. He didn't walk anybody and struck out 9.